Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to use one WhatsApp account across multiple devices. So in order to do that, let's head over first to our WhatsApp app, which is right here. Let's click on that. And once we're there, let's head over to our home WhatsApp. So as you can see in here, you can see these three lines up here. And you can see here the linked devices. So this is a great option in order to link your device or your WhatsApp account into multiple devices. So let's click that. And in order to use WhatsApp on other devices, you can use WhatsApp on web, desktop, or other devices, which is you can learn more by clicking this. So in order to link it, just click on link to device. And what you need to do is just open web.whatsapp.com, desktop app or the device, and scan the QR code using your phone into other desktop or device that you have. So after that, just scan it, and this will automatically pair your WhatsApp account of your phone to your WhatsApp website on your other device. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.